In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up an exit intent pop-up in LeadPages, a powerful tool for building landing pages and converting visitors. Stick with me because not only will I show you the exact steps to implement this feature, but I'll also give you a sneak peek at a competitor that might actually be better for your specific goals. First, let's start with LeadPages. The exit intent pop-up feature is great for capturing leads from visitors who are about to leave your site. This tool tracks mouse movement and triggers a pop-up just before they exit, giving you a chance to offer them a special deal, newsletter sign-up, or discount. Here's how you can set it up. Next thing, open your LeadPages dashboard. Once you're there, click on the page where you want the exit intent pop-up to appear. If you don't have a page yet, you'll need to create one first. But for now, let's focus on adding that pop-up. Head to the Pop-ups tab in your LeadPages editor. Now click Create New Pop-up. You'll be prompted to choose a template or start from scratch. For simplicity, pick one of the pre-designed templates. They're already optimized for conversion. After you've selected your template, you'll want to customize it. You can change the text, add images, and adjust the design to align with your brand style. Once you've customized your pop-up, the next thing is setting up the exit intent trigger. This is where you'll fine-tune how and when the pop-up appears. In LeadPages, under the Display Rules section, you'll find the option to enable exit intent. This tracks the user's mouse movements to detect when they're about to leave the page. Next, customize the pop-up's timing. You don't want it to show up too early or too late. Set it to trigger when the visitor moves their cursor towards the top of the page, typically right before they leave. This is crucial for catching those final moments of engagement. The fourth thing, test your pop-up. Once everything is set up, click Preview to make sure the exit intent pop-up works as expected. Move your mouse to the top of the page to simulate an exit and ensure the pop-up appears at the right time. Testing ensures everything runs smoothly before you launch it to your audience. Now, here's something you might want to consider. While LeadPages offers some great features, there are other tools out there that could offer more flexibility when it comes to exit intent pop-ups. For instance, tools like Opt-in Monster or Thrive Leads have more advanced targeting options and more templates to choose from. These tools integrate with a wider variety of platforms and are often praised for their customizability, something LeadPages can be a little lacking in. And while LeadPages does provide some nice features, it's important to consider whether its limited customization for pop-ups is the best fit for your business goals. This is where competitors can really shine. I'll link to one of those alternatives in the description below, and trust me, it could be a game changer if you're serious about lead generation. Before we wrap up, I want to mention that we've worked out an exclusive, extended free trial for you through our link in the description. Not only will you get the best free trial, but we've also secured some exclusive benefits that are only available to our viewers. Plus, don't forget to check out the amazing alternatives I just mentioned. They come with their own free trials, and I think they might be a better fit depending on your specific needs. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to click the link in the description for the best deal on LeadPages and its alternatives.